welcome back. I still don't know what else I want to say next.
Exactly how we did it the last
I know, I'm sorry. I just I don't really want to give you guys a recap because I'm pretty sure you guys remembered what happened. And as far as anything that's really going to go down is, I think, a crazy fight with just the ghost. I don't think it was the ghost demon, but we just got a weird little paradox thing going on where they keep running up the stairs. And that's about it. And that's all we left off on. So I'm just, I guess, looking forward to potential fight that's gonna happen or just some craziness. I wouldn't put craziness past this show, and that's about it for me. What about you, Dennis?
Ashley got a job.
Woo! I did.
Congratulations.
Thank you. There's gonna be, for now, guys, even though now Dennis and I are both employed, I think our schedule's gonna probably stay the same, but if we have any changes coming up, we'll definitely update you all and let you know if we'll be moving some things around. Anything from you?
I don't have anything to say. Let's just get into the episode. And as always, thank you guys for watching along with us. We will catch you guys in the reaction.
Oh, that's right. They're on the 8th floor.
Kobeni chan, double piece de jitto shite te.
A double peace sign? What does that do?
I don't know.
This poor girl is petrified.
Yeah. She definitely thinks she's gonna die.
For sure.
It kind of gives me like a horror movie vibe.
Yeah, it's creepy. Oh, he went to the other room. Okay. Damn.
I think we're gonna enjoy this episode.
Hope so. He's just in bed. Like... That's fucking terrible. I was just about to ask, why did she do it? That's so mean.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wait, she's actually got it really bad.
Yeah, Jesus.
This is really fucking sad.
I know. What shitty fucking parents.
Yeah.
Oh my god, power. She's such a bitch. She's such a bitch.
Yeah.
Oh my god, he actually fell asleep.
They're all just dumbfounded.
And 100% sales tax.
She's so ridiculous, but I love
She
it.
is. Oh my god, I would actually go insane. He looks so young.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, that did not register my brain for a second.
Yeah.
死んだバディの遺族とかとトラブルになるのはよくあること。 悪魔に仕返しできる力がないから私に当たるの。
Off.
Damn.
そういうのもデビル。一本あげる。
骨が腐るから吸わない。
長い付き合いになりそうだから吸ってほしいな。
一本だけ吸ってやる。
And this is where it starts.
Mm.
この一本だけだ。
Definitely not the last.
No.
姫野先輩、タバコ残ってます。
だね。これ最後の一本。
じゃ、俺たちが殺した悪魔がいたろ。
わしが殺したやつじゃな。
そいつがどんどん大きく。
Oh, great. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh,
Yeah, that's
God.
freaky.
したはずじゃ。ホテルから出られない。見たこともない形状。こりゃ何の悪魔だ。
No, it won't.
デンジ、食わせろ。
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, she looks so creepy.
Oh my god, she's gone crazy.
God damn.
This
Everyone just
poor
keeps
girl.
getting knocked out by her.
さいな。アキ君、キツネの体は京都にあるからね。じゃ、
Start revving that chainsaw.
Yeah. Good lord.
Damn, the ghost devil is really fucking cool.
Yeah, it is. They didn't say what kind of devil this thing is, right?
No. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, okay, great.
どうせ俺を殺しても外には出さないくせによ。
それはないよ。契約ってあの悪魔は言ったでしょ。悪魔が使う契約って言葉に
Oh,
は
okay.
強い力があるの。契約を片方が守れば、もう片方も絶対に守らなければならない。
デビルハンターが悪魔と契約することは法律でも認められている。その悪魔の契約を受けるべきです。
I mean, he just said,
従っている。
let me
デン
eat
ジの死
him.
が悪魔側の利益になるんだろう。
No, he said
だから
let
契約は受けない。
let that thing eat him. Eat Denji.
Right, that doesn't mean that he has to die if he eats him. So he can swallow him and then just rev the thing and slice him open.
Yeah,
And he
maybe.
has to honor the deal.
ハンター。殺すのは悪魔。
ない。その時は悪いけど。デンジ君が死んで。
ベッドに置いておいた食料が。
How long has it been? Couple hours?
I feel like at least a couple of hours.
Like, you're that hungry after a couple hours? Oh,
貴様が全部食べたのか。
わしじゃない。デンジが食べた。
すぐバレる嘘。
わかっちゃった。私、わかっちゃった。
Someone needs to knock her out.
生人の力で8階から出られないんだ。絶対そうだ。
Oh my god.
落ち着けこれじゃ。こいつは血の魔人で。
マジをかばうの。私たち
Oh my god.
she
Someone
has
just knocked
lost
her out.
it.
She's completely gone.
酸っぱいじゃん。
Spicy. Oh my god, this thing is getting stronger probably because of them freaking out.
Did they went crazy in that room.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, knock her the fuck out again.
Why doesn't he just transform?
Oh, the Eternity Devil. Wow. That's actually creepy.
It's really creepy. It's kind of cool though.
Yeah. Oh my god, this looks just like Inception when everything starts spinning.
It does. They have those scenes in a hotel too.
Yeah.
I wonder if this was inspired by that.
Oh, maybe. Oh god damn.
Oh, that is trippy.
Oh my god, shut up.
Oh, they were on the other side. Oh, they went around.
Yeah. What did she stab? Oh my god. You idiot.
Oh, I feel like she's gonna get even crazier now.
I feel bad for saying she needs to get fired because of her situation, but like...
刺されても仕方のない胸くその悪い野郎だが銃の悪魔を殺そうとしている俺一人じゃ銃の悪魔を天地は殺させない
Damn, okay. Would have never thought I'd hear him say that.
お前血の魔人なんだろこいつの血止められ
She started to freak out.
Yeah.
ああもし俺が悪魔をぶっ殺すようなことがあった
This fucking devil.
まだ忘れてねえからな
勝つ算段があるのか
クソ痛えけどチェーンソーになる
Yep.
チェーンソー
あの悪魔なんだか知らねえが俺のチェーンソーにビビってやがるだから自分じゃ手出せなくててめえらに俺を殺すよう言ってんだだったらよあいつが死にたくなるまで痛めつけて自殺させりゃいい
悪魔みたいな発想だな
てめえ俺をかばいやがって余計なことすんじゃねえよクソが俺は誰かに借りつくんのもううんざりなんだよ外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな
Let's go.
Oh my god, falling into a fucking infinite void?
Yeah.
How scary.
Damn.
No, this is the end of the episode?
Yeah.
You're fucking joking. I wanted to see that go down.
Yeah.
God damn.
That was trippy. Like,
That
I didn't realize
was.
he would just keep falling. Like, there's no end to it.
Oh man. So, you know, I actually did not expect her to lose her mind, the girl with the green hair.
Oh, the one who's like Aki's partner?
Yes. I didn't expect her to lose her mind because she's so calm, cool, and collected, but
Yeah.
I could see how her watching Aki get stabbed would like trigger that trauma of like all her other partners getting killed, and then that's when she lost it and she was like, what the fuck do we do? What do we do? What do we do? You know?
Yeah.
But
And also, sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, you go.
She also, part of why she also started freaking out was because she realized that the only way that she could get Aki to not use this sword was to sacrifice Denji. So that's why she was
Yeah.
like, if we have no choice, Denji, you just go and die so Aki doesn't lose all those years of his life by using the sword.
Yeah.
And then when Aki protects Denji, it's almost like she like starts to realize like Aki's really trying to use the sword. He's not gonna let everybody use Denji, and I think that's when she's just like, fuck, I don't want him to die. Like, at all. That's when she started freaking out like crazy too.
Yeah, like she probably can't take it again. Yeah.
That was a really fun episode. It wasn't much action per se, but it's like it almost felt kind of psychological, seeing the buildup of the stress and like their anxiety, and then like it's almost like a social experiment. Too. Like how would you react if you were in a situation like this?
I know.
I felt like it was pretty realistic. Like their reactions, like they started going a little crazy, paranoid about everything, and then start like inwardly like collapsing. Like they're all trying to like just get us the fuck out of here, kill Denji if we have to.
Yeah.
You know, I just feel like it's very realistic.
It is very realistic, and like I know I can be tough on characters sometimes, guys. Like somebody commented on the One Piece where I go, Usopp's such a pussy, and somebody went, "Wow, he's just a guy with a slingshot, though." And I was like, okay, you know what? That's so valid. That's so fucking valid. And I'm here like, shut the fuck up to this girl, even though I feel really bad for her because of her backstory. Like I feel like I would be the girl with the green hair, like knocking her out and be like, shut the fuck up. We gotta figure this shit out.
Yeah, when your
And then
life's
I'm
in
like-
danger, it's so different.
I know. And then I'm like, okay, you're right. Like, this is a very realistic scenario. We're gonna have one that loses her shit because she's so fucking scared, you know? And I'm like, a lot of people would probably react the way that she did. But I'm going a little too hard on her. So,
I mean, it was funny as hell to me. Like, it's kind of fucked up how they did this, but she gave that tragic ass backstory of why she even became a devil hunter.
yeah.
It was either this or become a sex worker. And then this is all because her parents want to send her brother to college and not her.
Yeah.
And that's honestly, it's like toxic, terrible upbringing, just terrible fucking parents. And then you just switch to a scene of Power laughing your fucking ass off at her. And then like our reaction to her was just like, oh my god, that's so sad. And then flash forward like 5-10 minutes later, it's like somebody knock her the fuck out. It's just kind of funny the way that they played with like the audience's reaction to that character.
They did. They're doing such a good job with this show.
Yeah.
That's great.
It's a really funny episode.
It is.
But yeah, that's it from us, guys. We will catch you guys in episode 7 next week. And as always, thank you all so much for the love and support. Peace.
Bye.